Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe. Hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of Magashule. Magashule, who is the suspended ANC Secretary General, used the funeral of former MK combatant and ANC staffer Pule Boutros Mlambo to send a message to ANC leadership that he has a massive support on the ground. He said, "You know that I can fight. It is just that I respect the African National Congress." His supporters have scored major victories in Limpopo and Eastern Cape. In the recently held regional conferences, the two provinces in the lead up to the ANC elective conference in December, some speakers of the funeral lashed out at ANC Limpopo chairperson Stan Mathabatha for saying the province will back the candidacy of Cyril Ramaphosa. Magashule also told the mourners that the ANC should consider talking to the EFF if it wanted to regain governance of the city of Johannesburg, Ekurhuleni and Tshwane. Do you think Magashule stands a chance to win? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Online Channel loves you. Bye, good people.